Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix video recording not working issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, open quick settings panel and click on this power icon. After click on this power icon, click on restart. Again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone PIN and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, if you want to fix this problem, click on force stop and click on OK. After click on OK, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so again click on settings app and click on apps, click on camera and click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so update software. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix video recording not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.